I just want to thank God for everything. Me being here today, that like Philip said, I cannot imagine that it was just yesterday. And I remember the day of orientation day, he said, if you struggle, just ask anybody. Try to make friends with your classmates and everybody will help you. I kept that in mind and I asked help for everybody as I could. And I want to thank my brothers and my children. I want to thank all my classmates and especially my instructor. I just, coming from a French-speaking country, we have 5 national languages. And when you have a homework, you have to speak with those languages before you get to English. So it was not easy, but with everybody around me, everything was good. So I want to thank you all and thank the school, and we will be back to help this school.